This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one I'm going to show you how you can replace your SSD or add a new M.2 drive to your Dell Latitude 3410 series notebook. So let's go to the process. You see here I have Dell Latitude notebook. For this you have to flip your computer as this. Okay, we have a screw here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 screws. So I have to take out all the screw. I'm using a set of screwdriver here. Here are the different size. Check which one is suited. So I'll take them off one by one. Let's start from corner. Okay, after taking out all the screw, you can use some old credit card or some card as this of your SIM or something to make some separation to take this off. Here we go. Here I can see some edges, so I press this inside to make some space. You can see how I'm doing. Move around as this. You see how it's opening. Some part here. If you have any sensor of mouse or something, take this off one side. When it's all is done, you can close this one as this. It's coming out gently. Always be gentle so you will not break anything. Okay. All the screws are here. You can see, save them one place. Here we see we have M.2 drive, MP510, M.2 SSD. So how we can replace this one? We take a screwdriver and we have to lose this screw here as this. When you lose the screw, it will take this out as this. You can see this M.2 drive, this is hard drive. Similar new hard drive you have to have. The same way you have to see the place how it is. This hole, it should be the similar. Put back at its place and tight the screw here. Tight the screw, this is done. So this is the way you can replace M.2 drive to your Dell Latitude 3410 series notebook. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.